Well-being inventions. There are many inventions and discoveries our ancestors left for us to keep ourselves healthy, happy and prosperous. You will be really surprised to know about the inventions and discoveries were really important in shaping the present world that we have today. The first invention which I am gonna share with you all today is Indian clubs or Mukdar, a type of exercise equipment used to develop strength or better grip, which are invented in India. Yoga is said to be composed by Rishi Bharadwaj 7000 years ago. Yoga is a group of physical, mental and spiritual practices which is originated in ancient India. Yoga is a form of exercise that helps to make our body healthier, improve our breathing and relaxing our mind. Meditation. The earliest records of meditation, dhyana, comes from a Hindu traditions of Vedantism, and the meditation has a long tradition of being practiced in Hinduism. There are several health benefits of meditating. Doing meditation can reduce stress, promotes emotional health, enhance self-awareness, increase imaginations and creativity, increase patience and many more benefits. Hello everyone, Surya here. Welcome back to another episode of Wall of Wisdom. Just to be clear, in this episode I'm gonna explain about inventions from India that have changed the world. Innovations are always created out of our needs. Innovation can be very useful in meeting our needs or improving our existing system. In this video, I will tell you all about the innovation that we have used so far from the ancient times. This includes the innovations from India that have changed the world. India's inventions and discoveries in construction, civil engineering and architecture. The first iron pillar in the world, Iron Pillar of Delhi, was built during the time of Chandragupta II and Vikramaditya. The pillar was attracted the attention of archaeologists and material scientists. During the research, it came to know that the metal used in the construction was rust resistant, which means it is an anti-aging pillar. Earliest clear evidence of origins of stepwell found in the Indus Valley Civilization archaeological site at Mohenjo-daro in India. India have unearthed clear evidence of the origin of the stepwell. In the past, Buddhists and Jains adopted stepwells of India as one of their architecture. Forms of wells and foam bathing spread to the other part of the world with Buddhism. Stupa, a monument, a type of structure that is clearly created to honor a person or event as a part of remembering cultural heritage. The origin of stupa can be traced back to the 3rd century BC. The stupa or monument spread to the other parts of the world with Buddhism. In many homes in the cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in Indus Valley, flush toilets were used back in 2600 BC. Metrology, the scientific study of measurement. Ruler. It allows engineers to build structure and other equipments with accuracy. Our ancestors bought a standard procedure of measurement instead of using hands and foot. Excavation near Gujarat have unearthed key scale dating back to 2400 BC. Weighing scale is a device to measure weight or mass. The first piece of used evidence found in archaeological department in Indus Valley Civilization. Criscograph. Criscograph is a device to measuring plants' growth. It was discovered by Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose in the early 20th century. The incense clock is an Indian timekeeping device. Incense clock commonly used in houses, temples during the ancient time that was popularized by China and spread to the neighboring East Asian countries such as Japan and Korea. Computers and programming languages. J# is a programming language useful for programmers to understand Java and Visual J++ languages, so they could use the existing knowledge and applications on .NET framework. It was developed by Microsoft India Development Center in Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. Kojo is a programming language and integrated development environment for computer programming and learning. Kojo is an open source software. It was created and actively developed by Lalit Pant, a computer programmer and teacher living in Dehradun, India. Genetics, the scientific study of heredity. Pseudomonas putida. Indian microbiologist Anand Mohan Chakravarti created oil-eating bacteria in 1971 which convert stearin oil to biodegradable plastic (PHA). India is the 7th largest and one among the most powerful countries in the world, as well as strong and enduring scientific and technological tradition, has one of the oldest civilization and rich history and culture in the world. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notifications. Like, share and subscribe.